mananda boka bini bina kata kachikona kalau ina singali bubina kaindendai niruni bi maroroi kabilu tagi chikokina nandambula
ada mai boka da rondor itabi langi wanda nda ungan rikina iteuke singandai boka bini bina katinga nandilo roni apa mai ni sirma non munu ni boka.
Happy to be here today at in Muanaira, Rewa, as acting Minister for Rural Development and Minister for Works, just to commission the Muanaira jetty, which will serve the people here, and in terms of access, and it will be beneficial also, especially to the children. We have Buchia District School and the women, so it's quite a good development. And the other part of it is it's a joint project between the Buchia Development Committee and also the government, which is a very good framework in terms of moving forward. And the other thing, we signed a handing over certificate today, whereby they will be responsible for the upkeep of the jetty and the maintenance moving forward. So it's good to have a joint responsibility in government projects, so that it is not seen as a handout but more as joint projects. So they also partly funded. And another issue we discussed today was climate change mitigation, which is a lot of this area is affected by it, and how best we could have that in the government programs, the mitigation element. So it's a joint looked at as a whole of government project or initiative, because it will involve the Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Finance, and of course waterways and roads and transport. So we would need a joint consultation, and that's something we would be pushing for from the ministry level. I'd like to thank the Commissioner Central Office and staff, and also the Volnesan Provincial Council Office for their input to make this project a success, and especially to the people of Buchia, who provided the input in terms also of finance and labor. This was a total of 15,000, where government contributed. It's a 50-50 project. So government is pleased to have the assistance of the community in moving this forward. So they are very well organized here, because they have their own Buchia Development Trust Committee, who are funding their own development. And in that sense, government is really grateful for this type of model. And we're looking forward to other villages and Tikinas to have this type of model, so that we don't just wait for government assistance, but also the community initiates it and government tops it up or assists in terms of cost to complete a project. Thank you.